Hello traders. So here is how I secured $10,000 on my propfirm account this morning. So today is June 10th, 2025. So I'm going to break it down for you and I'm going to analyze the chart from this crash, how I did it and what I see. It is what I usually do every day. So the trade was shared on my Telegram channel. So if you're on my Telegram channel, you should know that we make the money together. So everybody on my Telegram channel to see the setup before it happens. So if you are yet to join this Telegram channel, just click on the link under the description of this video. So let's dive in, guys. So I'm going to delete everything on my charts now. So how did I find this setup with all this roller coaster here? And I didn't fall into this trap because a lot of traders fall into this trap. So this is how I used to trade and how I used to trade every blessed day. Every time I want to enter trade, I started my analysis from daily time frame. I like top down analysis very well. Top down analysis is not a strategy. It is just an edge and way of analysis that is very, very okay. So what I like to watch out on the what I like to watch out for on daily time frame is the market bias. That is the market direction. And what did I see here? I see that the market is in a bullish structure. You can see as the market is creating a break of structure. Then I see that the market create a break of structure at this level. I have a break of structure here. Then a retracement back into the other block and FVG has been confirmed. You understand? Which means that there is a new structure. There's a beginning of a new structure here, which is heading to break this structure. Now this is the end of the circle for this retracement. There's a retracement back into the other block and the fair value gap to cause displacement. Then a new structure beginning. So now this impulse move is going to cause a break of structure here, allegedly. Nobody's sure. You understand? Now, whatever you are doing, like I like to explain, don't let it pass this level because this is the only surest way that we know that even if the market is not going to continue the movement, at least it's going to get to this level before anything. So once I have already confirmed this, I will scale to lower time frame. You understand? What am I looking for on a lower time frame? I'm looking for structure again. Now, this daily time frame has given me the market bias that the market is actually buying because I have confirmed a break of structure, a retracement back into the other block, then a new movement of the market. So I scale to 1 hour time frame. So I like 1 hour a lot. So now you can see that the 1 hour has already been giving me the structure I want. The structure I want. You can see there's a break of structure from the beginning of this other block on daily time frame. The market come. There was a change of character. Then after that, continuously break of structure. So there was a little retracement here, and the market continue. So once you have that daily time frame bias on your mind, you know that the market is actually heading up. So anything on a lower time frame is a trap. Any retracement for sell, any signal for sales on lower time frame is a complete trap. You understand? Is a complete trap. So what did I see here? So I see that there's a break of structure here. You can see there's a break of structure. And if I come to the origin that caused this break of structure, I can see an order block with a fair value gap. So I tap this. You understand? So I make sure I cover the gap. Remember, I mark this level when the price is at this level. You understand? The price was here when I got this. So now my entry time zone is 15-minute time frame. I don't enter trade on 1 hour time frame. Let me leave that so that I will know that this is where I saw this setup. So I am patiently waiting for price to come into this other block. Then I look for change of character on 15-minute time frame. Then look for my entry. What is my entry? My entry is fair value gap or other block with displacement or um what does it call mitigation. You understand? So once I have seen this setup on 1 hour time frame, then I go to daily time 15 minutes, sorry. I scale low to 15 minutes time frame. Now it is time for me to trade. So what happened, guys? It happened that price come to the other block on 1 hour time frame, which is this level. So I am patiently waiting for a break of structure. And where is the change of character, right? So where is the last structure? This was the last structure. This was the last structure here before it entered this other block. So I am waiting for this block. I am waiting for this block to be taken out. This structure. I am waiting for this structure to be taken out so that I can confirm a change of character. You understand? So, and that's happened. You can see it clearly. The market come and cause a change of character. So now I'm finding my entry. If you look from year to year, you will see that there is no, this is where the fair value gaps is and the other block, and it has been mitigated already before the change of character, which means it is no more valid. This other block and fair value gap are no more valid. So what am I going to do? That is where I scale low again. I go to 5 minute time frame to look at this origin. If I can find a fair value gap or an other block, I scale it because I know that all these are liquidity. All these are liquidity, which is going to be a trap. It's a trend liquidity. It is a trend liquidity because a lot of retail traders are going to see this as a support level and they are going to fall into the trap. They are going to fall into the trap. So they may be locked at this level, the market push up and later come back to take that place out. So as a smart trader, you listen to the market and hear what the market is saying. Now I will skip to 5 minute time frame to look for other block of your value gap at that origin. Then what did I see? You can see that there is a clear, let me zoom that. I'm sure you see it well. There's a clear order block and a fair value gap here. Fine. So I'm going to take that place as my entry. I'm going to take it as my entry. Let me go back to 15 minutes time frame because the 5 minutes has finished its assignment. So it has given me what I need and I have taken it. Then let me go back to my time frame of entry. So once I've already picked this other block on the 15 minutes time frame, so what am I waiting for? Yesterday I was tempted with this level because of this other block here. I was tempted with this level that maybe I should enter, but like I always said, the major reason why we blow account is not our strategy. Sometimes what leads to blowing account is not even near what we are trading. It is another thing, or sometimes impulse decision. So I listened to myself yesterday not to try that and let me wait. If I miss the trade, I don't lose anything. It's a risk free because I'm not on the trader already. So I set my pending order at this level. I s- my pending order at this level. Then put my stop loss below the other block. Then target 1 to 4. I think yes, 1 to 4, which is this level. Then and we successfully get to TP. So the trade was activate around 8 o'clock at the open of the London session. Then we got to TP at around 1 p.m. Nigeria time. So I'm going to share I will show the screenshot. Let me see if I can take you to my Telegram channel to see that I share the screenshot. This is my Telegram channel, guys. King Trading Lab. This is my Telegram channel, guys. You can see King Trading Lab. This is where I dropped the signal this morning. The link to this channel is under the description of this video. So you can see the screenshot. You can see it. So it is not after the trade before I now took the screenshots or did the video. So I drop the signal, drop the parameter for the trade, then this is the outcome. This is the outcome. So guys, that is how I successfully took that trade and how I'm able to make such amount on my propfirm account. So the propfirm is using trade locker. So I will have share my things, but it was on my phone. I'm using my tab to record this video. So unless I may share the screenshot when editing this video if possible. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe button, like and drop your comments. If there's anything you want to remove or add in what I showed you just now in the analysis I display, you can drop your comment. You can drop your comment. So that is that on this video. My name is Akiela King. As you all know, I'm the lead instructor from King Trading Lab. I wish you happy trading and make sure you always trade responsible.